I don't know what to do at the beginning of these videos. If you want to see this, I guess watch. You smell that? It's a bad YouTube video. Welcome. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you actually do like it, but whatever. If you don't, you don't. There's 15 billion other sneaker YouTube people better than I am at this anyways. Thanks for tuning in. I'm SB Mitch. This is stuff. Hey, give me a follow or subscribe. Or don't. Or complain in the comments. People seem to like to do that on YouTube, especially on video game reviews, which I found out recently. I like Far Cry 6. What can I say? Hello, pals. Today we're taking a closer look at a Nike SB GR, which stands for General Release, so you don't need to say GR Release, because then you're being redundant. Hold on, this is a fun game. Try and get the box angled so there's no lights reflecting. There we go. It's a purple box General Release Nike SB Dunk High Pro in this colorway. This colorway is inspired by the Be True to Your School pack from days of yore, or days of old. I don't know, what do you say, but it's a reverse colorway. It's the reverse Goldenrod, reverse Iowa. I don't know, whatever you want to call it, but this is just a black University Maze Dunk High. That's actually a lot better than I expected in person. So let's take a closer look at these shoes and then we'll talk about them for a little bit. When I first saw pictures of these shoes, I didn't know that the entire upper, aside from the tongue obviously, was suede. I thought there would be some other materials on here, and quite honestly, because of the all-suede upper, I kind of like this shoe. I think this is really well done, and I happen to like suede because it's just way more comfortable for me. Obviously, the colorway is a reverse Iowa-esque colorway. People will say it's a Pittsburgh Steelers colorway, but you can't go wrong with black and yellow if you ask me. And this, even though it's a varsity maze, it's still pretty much a yellow shoe. But I think it's a really well done shoe. I didn't expect to like it as much as I do. Basically what it comes down to. Box price on these was $110. The original release was set for like July, but because of, you know, ongoing shipping and logistical concerns and challenges and all that stuff going on, these basically have released within the last month at a bunch of places. I got this pair through CCS via their raffle. I am a member of CCS Plus, so I was able to hit through that. These kind of fit true to size. You may want to go a half size up depending on how your foot is. This pair, along with all Dunk SBs that come out, have a Zoom Air insole, which is probably about 3 times as thick as a normal Jordan 1 or Dunk Low insole. So there is a lot more space taken up by the insole, but that's just part of Nike skateboarding tech. I personally went with a size 11. I have a feeling that if I keep these, that they will fit. If you do want to get a pair of these, you probably missed all the raffles. I know Uprise did a first come, first serve, and they still had pairs like a week later. So these aren't really moving very fast. But if you do want to take the resale route, or you don't live by a skate shop that will carry these are kind of affordable right now. I think they're hovering between like $160 and $170, which given the past like 2.5 years of dunk hype and SB hype, $160 is not a bad price for a shoe that I think is actually really well done. Like the suede is higher quality than I would ever expect to see on any Dunk SB, especially between the years of like 2000, basically the tape box era, the worst era of SB. I don't care if anyone disagrees with me. I think the quality on those releases is but toot. But this is a very good shoe. I think it's very cool. And if you decide to get a pair of them, I hope you find them cool too. Hey, thanks for tuning in. I appreciate it. I know this was kind of a boring reveal thing because this shoe there's really not much going on with it, but the thing is, because where this shoe lacks in like small details and like overall flamboyance, it makes up for it in being executed really well. Like the suede is good. The construction, the materials, like everything about this shoe is just good. And I think it's just an overall good shoe. There's really nothing that I would personally do to this shoe to make it better because I think it's good just as it is. So thanks for tuning in. I appreciate it. We'll see you next time. I got a laser blue Dunk Low SB thingy coming up soon. So take care of each other. Remember to keep sneakers fun because they're supposed to be fun. Bye.